Look, I know I haven't uploaded in the last 3 months, and the reason for that is because I was trying to find out the type of content that I wanted to make, that I didn't need to tell people to, hey, go watch my video, like my video, share my video, and subscribe to the channel. I didn't want to make that type of content anymore. I just was trying to figure out the type of content that speaks for itself, the type of content that makes people want to share my video and not me having to tell them, the type of content that makes people want to subscribe to the channel and not me having to tell them to subscribe to the channel. So because this is Christmas, I just wanted to make this Christmas music, and I hastily put things together, and what you watch was the result of me getting only about 24 hours of recording, editing and mixing and everything. Also, I will be uploading another video on the 31st of December, i.e. the last day of the year, which is also the channel's birthday and also my actual birthday. Yeah, so if you made it till this part where I'm just talking and ranting, I appreciate it. Yeah, I guess that's about it. And oh yeah, I want to also wish you all a very Merry Christmas or Happy Christmas. Either way, it's the same thing. Merry and happy means the same. Wish you all a Merry Christmas, and I will say Happy New Year on the next video that I will upload. And thanks for watching and listening, and I guess I will see you all in the next one. Peace.